everyone, let's start the video. So for this one, make 2 ponytails and into fishtails. Now take the middle one and start attaching it with the help of a rubber band, and it's all done. For the next one, make the half ponytail and then make 2 braids out of it. Now make 2 sections, make 2 braids attached to it, and it's all done. For the next one, make 2 ponytails and then take the smaller sections from your hair and start braiding it all together by taking the smaller sections. Repeat the whole process nicely and gently as it will start looking like this. Repeat the whole process till the bottom and then attach it with the help of a rubber band. It's done. For the next one, make the braids on the sides and then make a ponytail and attach to it. Now with the help of a bun stick, make a cute little bun and attach it and cover it with your hairs, and it's all done. The next one, take the hairs and make 4 sections out of it in the front one. Now take the middle one, pull it inside out, make a braids out of it, make 2 ponytail, and it's done. It is cute, right? For the next one, make a ponytail and then with the help of a bun stick, make a cute little bun and attach it on the top, cover it with your hairs and put the accessories, and it's done. For this one, make a zigzag lines on the middle and make it into 2 ponytails. Now, take the hair strings and attach it to the ponytail and start making small braids out of it as it will look like this. Now, wrap it around the ponytail and it's all done. For the next one, make a ponytail and then attach it with the rubber band as shown in the video. Now, take your hairs, pull it inside out and then take the remaining hairs, cover it, and it's all done. It's a cute little bun. Thanks for watching.